Xiaomi unveiled the Redmi Note 7 at an event today in Beijing. The first new thing about this smartphone is Xiaomi announced that the Redmi is now its sub-brand. This makes the Redmi Note 7 the first smartphone from Redmi as a sub-brand. The design is modern, with the display having a dewdrop notch and a 2.5D glass back panel with dual tone gradient. With a 6.3-inch Full HD plus LTPS display and a screen resolution of 1080 x 2340 pixels and an aspect ratio of 19.5:9. The display of Redmi Note 7 is protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. So now the smartphone companies are leaving behind the Gorilla Glass 3, and that's a huge relief. The Note 7 is powered by 2.2 GHz Snapdragon 660 octa-core SoC coupled with Adreno 512 GPU. It's not quite good, but when you hear the price, it will be more than enough. The Note 7 comes in two storage, 32GB and 64GB model. The storage space can be expanded further by using micro SD card. Now, the best thing about this device is the camera. On the rear, you can find 48 megapixel of primary camera that is using a Samsung sensor with f aperture of 1.8, while the secondary camera comes with 5 megapixel sensor for capturing depth shot. And in the front, the Redmi Note 7 includes a 13 megapixel camera and includes features such as AI, Smart Beauty, Single Shot Blur, etc. The Note 7 is backed by 4000 mAh battery with the support for Quick Charge 4. Lastly, the price. I said camera is the best thing, but when you hear the price, it's just fabulous. The Redmi Note 7 starts at just 999 yuan, that is about $150, and it's about 10,000 rupees for a model with 3GB RAM and 32GB of storage, rising to 1,399 yuan, that is about $200 or roughly about 14,500 rupees for 6GB or 64GB model. That's such a low price for the camera they are giving and the processor which they are giving at this price. So this is just perfect, guys. So with that being said, let's meet in another video. This is me Satish signing off.